Good morning, Russ. It's Nico from Cliff Jones Mahinja Tractor over here in Sealy. Want to make a quick video, say thanks so much for considering us for your needs and giving me the opportunity to earn your business. I'm here in front of this awesome 2019 Branson 4720H hydrostatic four-wheel drive with the backhoe. So this is honestly probably the cleanest pre-owned tractor that I've seen come in here, and especially at the price that we have now on it. I mean, backhoes usually go for, you know, $8,000 to $10,000, and this one is just in fantastic condition. Really just looks like new. Super nice all the way around. And as you know, this one only has 46.2 hours on it, if you can see that there. So just really unheard of, you know, tractor in this condition with this low of hours. So let me crank it up for you. Operate the backhoe here for you. And there you go. Okay, Russ, again, it's Nico from Cliff Jones Mahinja Tractor in Sealy. Hopefully talk to your bank first thing this morning so we can get you this tractor. If you have any questions or concerns, give me a call or text 979-413-9554. Thanks, Russ.